Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is Happy Mail. I finally was able to get to my post office and I got some Happy Mail from Crystal Rose. Thank you so much. I can't wait to open this. You'll hear my son in the background, but thank you so much. I can't wait. I'm going to turn this over because it has my information on it. The other one is from It's a Deal, Leanna, and it was sent a while ago. I just went to my post office a few days ago, and even I got a delivery sent back, and I am so bummed, you guys. Whoever sent me something, I am so sorry. I wasn't able to get to my post office on time. Looks like they sent me a notice and then a final one, and they sent it back on the 29th. And so I apologize for that, but I don't know what we could do about that. And then I want to show you guys, I received something from B Northway Designs. Go ahead and check her out on Instagram. She makes these keychains and these are just so beautiful. I love them, especially the colors. She has different assortments of colors in her shop. So go ahead and check her out. I'm sure she can do custom as well, but I love them for albums and attaching them to our tags as well. But oh my goodness, imagine this on an album with a bunch of trim and some wire wrapping. Oh my gosh, just beautiful. But that's it right there. There is her card as well. She sent me some stickers and she sent me some of these elastics. I believe we could use these to hold our tags together as well as our planners. You know how we paper crafters do it. We need stuff like this. So yeah, go ahead and check her out. Thank you so much, Brooke, for this. I appreciate it so much and I love mine. So let's go ahead and get into It's a Deal. I wanted to save this to show that I haven't opened it, and I did go to the post office late. So let's go ahead and see what is in here.
You couldn't find it? Okay, what are you looking for?
I just looked everywhere.
What are you looking for?
The stuff.
What stuff?
Thrusters.
Thrusters?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do the video and then I'll help you, okay?
Okay.
Don't-
You just don't want the video. And why are you doing this again?
I'm almost done, okay?
Okay.
Oh, look what Leanna sent. She sent this cute little album or flip book. I love how she did this right here. And I love this. Look, it shakes, you guys. I love shakers. And it says, Let It Snow with the cute reindeer. And she used some of the Snow and Cocoa collection and other collections. And let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, look at this. She sent some stickers. Thank you so much. Christmas in July is coming up, and I definitely will be able to use this. But look at her little flip book. I love it. How cute is this? I love Snow and Cocoa. She used Snow and Cocoa. I am all out. I have no Snow and Cocoa, and then she put this little reindeer, well, not a little reindeer, but this cute reindeer right here with some sunglasses, being super cool. And look at this, you guys. It's so cute. Thank you so much, Leanna. I appreciate you so much. Okay, let's get into the next one. And the next one is from Crystal Rose. I will have her linked below, but let's see what she sent. So I don't show her address, so let's go ahead and get into this. I love the fluff here. This fluff right here.
It's so cute.
Okay, let's see what's in here. Crystal, I'm gonna have her link below. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You did not have to send me anything. Oh my God. Okay, so she sent me a little notepad and it's coffee. I love it so much. I mean, hot chocolate. And she sent me some hot chocolate. Thank you so much. And then right here, an envelope. Let's see what's in here. I love how you made your envelope. I love handmade envelopes. Let's see. Oh my goodness. No, you did not. No, you did not. Another Snow and Coco. Look at this. Snow and Coco. Oh my goodness. Sorry about that. It says, it's kind of shiny, so I can't really see. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Happy New Year, Crystal. Thank you so much. This is such a cute little card. It's like a snow globe, and then it's just like a little snow globe, and then she put sequins right here with Snow and Coco. Oh, I love that idea. That's her right there, you guys. Just crafting over here. Oh, thank you so much for this card, and thank you for your thoughts and thinking of me. Look at these bows. How cute are these, you guys? All the beautiful colors. And then these flowers, look at that chunk, you guys. So chunky. I love them. Oh, that's pretty. Thank you so much. And an eraser. Look at the little kawaii. I love it. Thank you. It's a pencil eraser and the beautiful colors. Everything matches. And then these vellum rosettes, which I absolutely love the colors. I can't wait to use this for Christmas in July. Look at these. How beautiful are these? Oh, that is so pretty. Imagining all this layered up on this. Thank you so much, Crystal. I appreciate it. Almost forgot to include Catsal Creates card. So she sent me this beautiful card. Look at this. I love these little characters. I believe they're polka doodles. And then it just says Merry Christmas. I love them. I wonder if she colored them. Did you color them? They're so cute. They look like polka doodles. And then she just put, have yourself a merry little Christmas and have a safe New Year. Thank you so much, Kathy. I love this card. So cute. Thank you. Thank you so much, Leanna. And Brooke, thank you so much for this as well. I appreciate you all. And hopefully you guys enjoyed that. It is Christmas. And you guys, Christmas in July is coming up. And you know how we do it. We start early. So this is just perfect right here. Thank you so much. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.